This is part 2 of my makeup artist kit, and so this is the front pocket. I do have these Paw Wonder Blenders for my makeup applications. I do not share sponges for different makeup applications. It's one per person. So I then gift it to the person after the makeup application is complete. So, because these are not sanitary to have them wash and reuse on another person. So they are single use. I also have, this is my brush holder for dirty brushes. So after I use them, I put them in here. And then when I get home, they're all in one place and then they can be washed and sanitized. I have 2 black towels in my bag for the station setup. I also have this Impressions vanity mirror for after the makeup application is complete. I carry some paper towels. I've cut them up so it can be more better usage of them for makeup application as well, for being sanitary. I have a collapsible trash can right here, another black towel. So in this pocket right here, I have some disposable trash bags. It's a cute carrier for them. I got this on Amazon. I have lots of disposable trash bags, so great for at your station. I also have the velour lash adhesive, latex free in white. In this pocket, I have a style emergency kit. So this has buttons, a sewing needle and thread. It has shoe shine polish. Has, what else? Fashion tape. Other great emergency items for, especially for bridal. So I saw this and loved it. Wanted to get it. I also have some bobby pins. These are essential for especially working bridal or an event. You just never know when you need a bobby pin, so those are great. In this first pocket here, I have my cards. It's a great holder from Amazon. And I have some Sharpies up here for on the go. In this pocket, I have some Kleenex and some makeup remover wipes. These are my favorite, so. Over here on this area here, so that's all for this front pocket. This is what I use for when I get home from a venue. So we have some Real Techniques brush cleaner for a deep wash of your brushes. I also have some barbicide. So I use this on any tools that I have that touched human skin, because we have to be mindful of bloodborne pathogens and proper sanitation for makeup application. And so it's super, super important. This is great. I have the Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner as well for cleaning. And then I have my own dedicated set of disinfecting wipes that are just for my makeup artist kit. They're not for the house or anything, just for the kit. So speaking of that, safety and sanitation are the utmost importance to me, because I don't want anybody to get an infection or a disease or go blind or sue me. So it is so, so, so important to be having that as your top priority, more so than the newest eyeshadow palette or bronzer. Like, safety is important.